guys, it's Sim cooking here, and today I'm going to be in the kitchen cooking pancakes. Let's do this. The ingredients are 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of white sugar, half teaspoon grated lemon, 1 cup milk, 1 egg lightly beaten, 30 grams butter melted. So guys, we're here in the kitchen and right now we need 1 cup of flour, so we need 1 cup. Got them. And we need to find 1 cup and put in the bowl. And then next we need 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2. We need half teaspoon of finely grated lemon. Okay. So we need to grate this lemon. We also need 1 cup of milk. And then we put this milk. So we just put the milk there. Then we put the lemon in there. Put a little bit of milk in. Just keep on mixing till all the milk's gone.
And then I'll be done.
Yeah. And we also want to get all the lumps out. When you have put all the milk in, it should be coming like this.
We've still got like 1/4 cup of milk. So.
And then just keep on putting it in. Make sure you can't see any lumps. And once you've done this, you will need to get the pan out.
And you need to pour a little bit at a time.
And then we need to get this. So now guys, we need to put the mixture over here. Grab some.
And just
pour it on.
That should be good.
Just a bit more.
That's enough, that's enough. That'll be enough.
Ooh. So now guys, once it's now heated up, you need to flip the pancake over and flip the other side. And then we need to get a plate. Because we need to put the pancakes on that. This chicken still needs to cook a bit.
Just like a minute longer and then it should be better.
Now,
I can flip it now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We need to put this there. And then we need to put the second pancake. So now we're going to taste the pancake with nothing on it. So
we're going to taste the pancake with nothing on it, and then next we're going to have some stuff on it. Tastes like a normal pancake.
Yeah.
Definitely. That does taste like a normal pancake.
Yeah. So I reckon I give it a 9. So now guys, we're going to eat some of it with food.
The normal one I would rate a 9 because it's good, but I think we burnt it a little bit.
For this one, I give it a, I think I give it a 10. Stuff on.
This one, with stuff on it, I think I'd give it another 9. It's still the same, but it's very different.
So this is the end of the video, and if you have any food ideas, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.